Put down your phone, baby. Stop scrolling. It's time for us to sleep. Come here. Lie down with me. Just let me hold you. Do you want to know something strange? When people sleep next to someone they love, their brain produces more oxytocin. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and slows the heart. It's not magic. It's biology. But it feels like magic when it's with you. Close your eyes for me. I promise you're safe. Nothing can hurt you while I'm here. Did you know the brain has a system called the glymphatic system? It only activates during deep sleep. While you're dreaming, your brain is washing itself clean. I like thinking of it that way, like you're being taken care of while you rest. Breathe with me. In and out. Again, feel my heartbeat? They say hearts can synchronize during sleep. I think ours already have. I love how small you feel when you're this close. I'm not going anywhere tonight. I'll be here until you wake up. Close your eyes, love. The world can wait. It's just us now. I'm proud of you, you know, for surviving today, for letting me hold you tonight. Now rest, baby. Let me be the quiet in your mind. I'll stay right here. I'm not going anywhere. Not until you're safe and sleep. I love you. I love you more when you finally stop pretending you're strong and let me take care of you. Good night, love.